Alright guys, so today I'm going to be starting the video. Actually, the video's already started, but this video is going to be pretty short. I'm just going to be installing the speed pulley for the spree. You can get this from Scooter Swap Shop, I believe it's called. I'll put a link on the description of this here. And then I also got the I bought a new belt just because I figured if I'm going to be taking that apart anyways, might as well refreshen up the belt. I'm gonna go throw this on and throw that on. Alright, so first things first, for this we're gonna need to remove this cover here, and that's just a couple of 10 mils, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm missing this one, so just 5 of them. Alright, so I actually lied, and these are size 8mm ones, so there we go. For some reason, my this little pulley over here, let me put these out of the way. This little pulley here looks like it's really like decolorized from the heat. So I'm wondering if there's an issue with the clutch pads in there. It might be worn out or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out by taking this bolt out here, and then I'm gonna take this one out here so I can get to the belt. Alright, so just from looking at these, it looks like they're pretty fucked. I mean, it looks like it's missing a chunk here. I could be wrong, but it doesn't have... This thing's like super glossy, and it's not supposed to be like that. Missing pieces. I don't even know where they went. The belt looks pretty decent still, so... The only issue would be these here. So I gotta go ahead and find new ones pretty soon. But for now, I'm just gonna do the pulley in here. And yeah, I mean, that's all I have. I'm just gonna do the pulley, I guess. Alright, so this one here is a size 16mm. The one over here is a 14, just so you guys know. Well, we got this one here. Go. So we got that out. And get the little washer out. Get this little crank pulley out. This doesn't look too bad. There's this. We can put this out in the way. And then this thing comes. Oh. Performance. But anyways, you have to take this little ring out of there. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull the belt off real quick. Just pull this thing off. Take the belt off. So you're just gonna want to put like this. Pinch it as hard as you can. That way it fits in here still. There we go. You can put this thing in here, and the nut that goes to it. I'm not going to tighten it right now. This is just to hold it in place, and then we can go ahead and put the pulley over here. Alright, so now I just got the pulley in place, and then we're going to put the belt on here, and then what you want to do is squeeze it from back here. It's a little hard. Squeeze it. So it gives you more play up here. And it sits right. Alright, so what you want to make sure here is that this little lip right here, the belt goes over that. That way you're not smushing it on accident. Once you get that on there, then you're going to want to put this sprocket here, and then the washer that just flew away. Go grab it. There we go. And then the nut that goes over here. And just give it a little tightening. Go. Alright, now I just gotta tighten this one up here, which was the 14 mil. And now I just gotta check that the belt rides on there pretty good. Alright, seems to be good. Now we can go ahead and take it out for a spin. Just gotta pop on the cover, which is pretty simple. I mean, it's just, yeah. Let me go ahead and put that thing on real quick. Alright, hopefully I don't lose my phone. I'll go ahead and take it for a spin. Damn it. Looks like I need to jump it. Alright, let's give it another try. Use some starter fluid. Alright, let's try one more time. Alright, well, I got the thing running. I wasn't able to take it top speed because it was the what are they called? The clutch, I don't know what they're called, the friction plates or whatever, friction surface is really fucked up on these, so I have to replace those soon. So that's why I couldn't get it to top speed, and the carburetor was bogging out too. So it does feel like I was cruising at about 30, which usually the Spree original, like the stock spree, that's usually like where it like tops out at when you're like full throttle. With the kit, it bumped it up to 40, the big bore kit. And just from now telling, like just by driving it around at low RPMs, it was already doing 30. So I'm hoping I can manage to get to 40 without having to full throttle the bike the whole time. Maybe I can even get 50 miles per hour out of this thing. But first I gotta get the that clutch stuff fixed over there. But that's gonna be all for today because that's all the parts I have. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.